Guwahati became the first city in the northeast to have an exclusive all-women taxi service driven by trained women drivers and to cater to the need of women passengers. Launched by Meghna Driving Training Institute, understandably owned by a lady, the service has started with 5 Maruti Altos turned into cabs and with 12 lady cab drivers.
महिला सुरक्षित रहे इसी के ऊपर ध्यान देके हम लोग ये प्रोसेस लिया है हाथ पे। तो महिला ड्राइवर पहली बार हम लोगों ने ये रेडी किया है। तो 12 लड़कियां अभी हैं। आशा करती हूँ और बाद में और लड़कियां आएंगे और सिखा पाएंगे हम लोग।
The service has been hailed by women from all over Guwahati as a great move to ensure safety and security of women, especially working women who often return late.
आजकल के जो बढ़ते हुए क्राइम को अगर नज़र किया जाए तो ये जो मैग्ना ट्रैवल्स ने एक स्टेप लिया हुआ है बहुत ही अच्छा है एंड ये विल ऑब्वियसली फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद द लेडीज ड्राइवर.
Additionally, the move will also give employment to women in a sector which was previously thought to be all male domain. The cabs can be called by dialing toll-free number 1800-212-1400. The organization has vacancies for more lady drivers.
महिला का जो सबलीकरण को जो प्रचेष्टा सरकार ने व्यवस्था कर रहा है उसका एक कदम हम लोग का इससे हम लोग और एक कदम आगे बढ़ाएगा.
The Department of Commerce and Industries of Manipur organized a 7-day-long Imphal Food Expo at the Iboima Shumang Leela Sanglen complex in Imphal recently under the central government scheme to promote food processing industries. Many value-added food items like squashes, pickles, juices, sauces, honey, and snacks were offered by entrepreneurs of the state dealing with processed foods. The expo also showcased many machineries used in processing of various kinds of food.
Masi aidi wakal dadi hengkat kani na dilawi. Adu henju hele. Hai bide koi na hana koi ki pochi hana khang dabu kachin ko yada le mayam je. Hena khang bagi bide advertise makhalama oina. Hena koi hana yolam bade dagi hena yon bagi changji hengine hai bagi asatham je.
A seminar was held on the occasion wherein experts passed on knowledge about how to process food, its scope, marketing avenues, etc. The expo included sale of many food items which were much liked by the visitors.
It is to showcase the food products, mainly processed food products of the food processing industrial units of the state in the eastern market, in the national market, and in the international market.
Surrounded by beautiful rolling hills and pristine setting, the Zero Valley of Arunachal Pradesh, located at a height of over 5,500 feet above sea level, is picture perfect. Home of the simple agrarian Apatani tribe, this area was host to a most rocking event, the Zero Music Festival recently, which brought in musicians from all over the country to this lovely locale. Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Kiran Rijiju was the chief guest of the festival. Having won by large margin from this very area, Rijiju is a person the locals here claim as their own, and the minister too did not fail them. He listed out his plans for improvement of road, drinking water, transmission lines, etc. in the area.
Welcome, well, there are we sing a happy song. मैं मंत्री बना, सारा अरुणाचल मेरा अपना है। पार्टी के ऊपर चढ़ करके मैं सारा लोगों को मदद करने का कोशिश करूंगा। और साथ साथ में जितने भी यहाँ में ऑफिसर्स आए हैं, मैं आपको ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारा गवर्नमेंट, जब से दिल्ली में गवर्नमेंट आया है, हम लोगों ने काम करने का सिस्टम को हमने चेंज किया है। हिंदुस्तान क्यों इतना पीछे पड़ा है? क्योंकि हम लेजी हैं।
The event witnessed Northeast bands like the all-women vinyl records making the crowds dance to their music.
I'll be everywhere you are just to let you know I've been watching you round. You really ought to know. I fly around, 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 I fly around.
They were followed by many all-male bands. Singers from Central India came next, and so on. There were over 30 bands in all, whose performances were much enjoyed by viewers who had come here from across the country and world. On the sidelines, the Zero Festival included a cycle expedition, offered camping experience, food stalls offering a variety of cuisines from different states of the Northeast, handloom and handicraft stalls, activity centers like this one with offers to paint t-shirts on order, etc.
हमारा एक परमानेंट मैसेज एक ये कि let us save our environment while maintaining our daily convenience.
A long lineup of stories there. Let's go in for a short break. We'll be back in a jiffy with sports.
असम, यहाँ कदम कदम पर बदलें बोल। यहाँ संस्कृति के रंग हैं अनमोल। यहाँ भाषाएं अलग हैं पर दिल नहीं। यहाँ जाति धर्म अलग हैं पर लोग नहीं। विभिन्नताओं के संगम की ये धरती है असम की।
अनेकता में एकता, यह है असम का विशेषता।